Bruno.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Help me call Linda.
So, do you mean by the cylinder, sir?
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
You think say they wise?
You know go in person. Love the way you did dance, girl. I am we made it. Why they can't love fire?
Linda, baby. Oh, my smell nice gone. Oh my God, see my money. Turn. Oh my, one new motto for me. Such a deal.
My nigga.
Say me, I love the way you bend body.
Oh yeah, hug me. It's plenty. How are you?
Daddy, I'm not fine.
Yeah, you're not fine. What happened?
I am broke.
You're always broke. In fact, the whole Nigeria is broke.
Yes.
Bruno.
Yes, sir.
Buy me one new club, yeah. Wari envelope.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is your upkeep for the week.
Oh,
Yeah, Shamije. Oh my God, you know that's my weak point. So on that other one,
yes.
the car, I have not forgotten.
Daddy, now my car.
I have not forgotten. You see, I've ordered it from Duty Links Limited.
Okay.
They import cars, motor, anything from the abroad. They register, they sell car parts, they paint, anything automobile. Duty Links. So the green one.
Yes.
And also they also do cleaning services, so Duty Link cleaners.
Yes.
Home, factory, hotel cleaning, fumigation, anything cleaning. Duty Link cleaners. So on Friday, because I don't have money like that, I'm expecting one contract. Once the contract enter, Bagam, I pay for your car. Bruno will bring it to you.
I'm going
Friday is not far. Be patient, it's not far. I'm broke.
70 years old man.
No problem. So my wife is waiting for me.
Continue.
Bye.
I mentioned that your
Oh, yeah, shall me get one more time. Oh my God. I'm sure an Indian escape.
Can you fuck off? You want to please us and this please us. Please
Oh my God.
Zaddy.
Baby girl.
You know, I was actually thinking,
Okay.
like I was saying, Friday is far. So I can just borrow you that money to buy my car. And then when you get your contract, you just refund me.
You borrow me the money from where?
Yes. I was like, I know I said I don't have money, but there's a baby girl account that I cannot touch now.
Wow.
I love you. Thank you.
Not be
Linda.
Hey,
mommy.
Can we move now, sir?
Baby girl account.
If you think.
It be things.
Mélòó la fẹ́ sọ.